Hey guys, I just wanted to send out this video to give you some information on this year's science fair, which is fast approaching. I thought that instead of taking up some time on our PD day on Monday, when we go back, that it would be easier to just send this out. So there's a few changes that have been made this year, some exciting changes that I think will be really fun. I'm looking forward to them, and I hope that you will too. So this year there's kind of two separate things happening. One way to enter something into the science fair is to do the STEM challenge, and another way is to do the normal science fair project that we've done in the previous years. So we're going to start with the STEM challenge. Okay. I know in the previous years that K1 has entered their science fair projects as like a class as a whole, and I think that 2-3 has been given that option too. This year for the STEM challenges, all STEM challenges K through 5 will be done in groups of 2 to 3 students. Okay. The STEM challenge for K1 is the penny boat, 2-3 is the catapult, and 4-5 is the egg drop. All of the details on that are in the links below, right here. And they'll all need to be ready for judging on February 13th. The district science fair is February 19th and 20th. So we figured if we had it all judged and ready to go the week before, that would give everybody plenty of time to get their projects ready to take to the ag building for district fair. So the way that it'll work is our judges will be from MacArthur. So if you are not a classroom teacher and you want to volunteer to judge our STEM challenges or science fair projects, please get a hold of me. It will be greatly appreciated, and I will buy you a Sonic drink. Okay? The top 4 projects from each hallway will go to the district science fair. Okay? All right, so let's say you have students who don't want to participate in the STEM challenge and they want to do a science fair project. K1 may enter a science fair project as a whole class like they have in the previous years. But if you, as their classroom teacher, don't want to do an entire class project and you also don't want to do the STEM challenge, if you have a student in your class who is really passionate about this and really wants to do this, they can enter an individual project in K1. Okay? Through all of the projects, the STEM, well, it'll be 4 of the STEM challenges that will be chosen to go to the district, and then 1 project from K1 will be chosen from MacArthur for the district fair. So, altogether, if we have enough people participating, that'll be 5 projects that will go. 4 of the STEM challenges and 1 science fair project. Okay? 2-3 may enter as an individual or a team of 3 or less, and they also are allowed to enter as an entire class. For 2-3, we can send up to 5 projects to the district fair. So that would be a total of 9, 5 science fair projects and 4 STEM challenge projects. 4-5 may enter as an individual or a team, but no class projects, okay, which I think has been the same in the past. So for the 4th and 5th grade, we can send up to 30 projects to the district fair. So I am really, really pushing hard to have that many completed and ready to go. They need to be done by February 13th, just like the STEM challenges. These will be taken home by the students so that their parents can take them to the ag building. The STEM challenges will probably stay at the school since that's kind of a hallway thing, I guess. But the science fair projects will be taken home at the end of the day on the 13th so that their parents can take them to the ag building. So, okay, please, please, please advertise this to your students, okay? There's 30 out of 4-5 projects plus the 4 STEM challenges. There's 9 from the 2-3 hallway that can go, and there's 5 from the K1. Okay, total last year from MacArthur, we had 5 projects entered. Okay, and I think that Bristol was saying there was 10 from one school, and that was the most projects that were entered is 10. So I'm really, really urging all of the students to participate in this. I think it's a great opportunity for them to learn lots of fun things in science. So for those of you who don't want to explain all of this to your students, I have made a video for each hallway. Okay, they're kind of cheesy, but I'm hoping that they'll help. The links are below right there. Okay, it did say in the packets to please, if you have students who are wanting to participate with a science fair project, please show them the judging sheets before they start their project. That I also have the applications. If you have students who are wanting to do it and they let you know, please let me know and I'll get the applications out. And something different this year that wasn't available last year is if they are wanting to do a science fair project, or if they are, and this is for 2 through 5, sorry K1, 2 through 5 students who want to do the science fair project or are participating in the STEM challenge can come to me for Dream Day classes, okay? So when we come back all the way up until February 13th, if they want to come to my class to work on their science fair project, I can help them and make sure that they have all that they need to get their science fair project entered. Most of that will be with like the display boards and all of that. So, and I can go over the judging sheets with them and all of that. So just send them my way. And if they want to do the science fair project, but they want to work on it at home, that's fine too. Just make sure that you let me know so I can get them an application, and it's a whole packet that I'll send home with them. So here are some helpful links. The detailed information of everything I just told you is right here. Here's the grade level expectations that you can share with the students. Here's the calendar of events, and this is a link which is also included in each advertisement video that I sent for each grade level. And it has websites for science project ideas. So that is all I've got. Please let me know if you have any questions. This was very brief. And I know I have some, Bristol said that she was going to send out the judging sheets information for those of you who are so awesome and want to volunteer to judge at MacArthur, and also get a Sonic drink. She said she's going to send those out closer to time, so I don't have them yet, but they will be coming. So please give me a call, email me, come upstairs and find me if there's any questions about STEM challenges or science fair. Okay? Thank you. Bye.